Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking out the hard disk which is inside of this enclosure. This is a 2 terabyte Seagate BUP Slim portable hard drive. I had bought it in 2020. So let's go. So this hard disk had some connector issues. When I plug it inside my PC, it's actually not working for longer hours, so I'm guessing it's a connector issue, the 3.2 cable issues. So I'm planning it to take it out and use it plug it straight into my PC. And yeah, I've already made a dent in a panel left. For me, it was inside of this logo, just above the logo, and I'm kinda prying it out. You have to look for your weak spot and kinda pry it out.
Okay, I have removed this. The part is almost done. I'm using this metal screwdriver. It is tiny, but you should probably use a credit card. But credit card is not that effectful, so I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna finish removing the whole thing, and I'll see you again. And you have to do it slowly, so yeah, because I want to use this one for some other projects, so I'll be doing it very slowly. So I'm gonna slowly this back part is a little bit tricky. This is a single plastic piece and it is like welded in a seamless kind of way, so let me just switch it. This like folds into this slope, so I should have probably started from here, but I don't want to scratch this because I want to use this. I'll put another disk in this one and I'll put this one into my main PC, so I need to be extra careful so that I don't break it. The aesthetics on this one is pretty good, so I'm gonna do it slowly. It appears to that I think that this piece is glued. I have some, yeah, this is straight up glued. Yeah, this piece is actually glued, so it will be relatively easy, I think. Yeah, it's coming off pretty easy. I'll do the same thing from this side. Yeah, this piece has been removed. This appears to be plastic, and all of the materials have, I think I didn't break anything, which is a very good sign. It is exactly like that. I can just snap it on this one and use it for another and yeah, this is how, let me just, yeah, this is how the inside looks. So yeah, now I'll have to carefully remove this inside and not break this extra controller. This is the controller for USB 3.0. I think mine USB 3.0 is broken because it's not reading properly. So I think I've apparently been way too harsh with one. I just poked this part, but yeah, I think damage is not that much, so let's dig in. Let us gently pull out the 2 TB hard disk. Yeah, so this is the hard disk, and we'll just put it aside for a moment and check out the case. So yeah, no scratches. I think I've been just a little rough on this side. I think I've been a little rough on this side. I kinda don't, but it is not really that noticeable. It's pretty noticeable that I have tampered with this one. So no warranty for me apparently. So who cares? It's already 5 years old. So yeah, now let's try to remove this. Now we'll be removing the make sure you don't mess around with the controllers. Be very, very gentle. This is the part I accidentally poked in, but damage doesn't seem deep, just the tape has been compromised. So I'll just continue removing this tape. And yeah, I have removed this tape. This is basically just tape, some kind of tape. I don't know which tape. I think it's non-electrical, non-conductive kind of thing, so that it doesn't produce any static electricity. So now I'll strip it completely because it will mess up. So yeah, this is like non-conducting thermal material, I think. And this is the paper, non-electricity tape, and this is the controller. This is the USB-C controller, and I'll slowly remove the I see the SATA connectors. Yeah, so yeah, this is the 2 TB hard disk. Now I'll put this one in my computer hard disk to see if it is good or not. the main reason why I did this, those are the SATA ports. And this is the controller. If my camera focuses, yeah, we got it. This is the controller. Let me just focus it. My camera, sorry for the camera issues, but yeah, this is the controller. I can put another hard disk in this one, which I am actually planning to do. This will be my archive disk from now on. I'll be using it in my PC, so I'll see you in a moment. I'll put this into my PC and I'll check this one. So yeah, this is my PC now. I'll turn it off and remove the screws. Sorry for the mess inside my PC. I need to clean it up once, but yeah. This is the power cable and this is the SATA, and now we'll turn our PC up. Things are lighting up, and now let's jump into our PC. Okay, now we're inside my PC and this one shows, and yeah, so this is working and I have 2 terabyte of hard disk. So yeah, it's almost reaching 90 Mbps right now, the write speeds. The file is 15 GB, so this was pretty good. The USB 3.0 speeds were around 60 Mbps max to max, but realistically you would get like 30 Mbps, which was very low. But this SATA speeds are comparatively higher, so yeah, this is a win for me. This project worked and I'll be using this disk in my computer with the SATA rather than the USB 3.0, and for the case I'll actually buy an SSD and use it as a external hard disk. So I ran the Crystal Disk Mark benchmarking software, which tests out the speeds of attached storage devices, and these are the results for our attached drive. We just attached this, and as you can see, the speeds are okayish, not really something to write home about, considering that it's a laptop drive. We'll let it pass, and just for fun, I'll be showing you my other drives that I have attached in the same computer. This is a 500 GB WD blue hard disk, and as you can see, the speeds are literally double of that of the Seagate one. And this is my Samsung 870 Evo. It is a SATA SSD, and as you can see, it really blows both of the hard disk out of the water in terms of speeds. It's literally thrice or like 10 times or more. And the specialty of this Samsung drive is that it has a performance mode, and yeah, the write speeds get absolutely insane. These are like NVMe speeds in the SATA form. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.